How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. In this episode I have something very simple and very practical. This is for the 2019-2020 Toyota RAV4. This is the center console tray for this type of vehicles. I got this product from Tutus. Link is gonna be in the description for it. And this is the center console tray. Really easy to put on. I have the tray here and two non-slip rubber pads, and to put it on is really easy. This one with the round shape is going on the back on the small compartment. Just put it right there. Same thing for the other one. The round side is gonna go on the back. And this center console tray is really good and convenient for this truck, because if you have your phone, car keys or home keys or stuff that you have, sometimes there's no place to put them other than the middle console right here. In this case they designed this and it fits just perfect right in the middle. Just put it on, slide it all the way to the back, and in this case, like if you have your phone, you can put it right there and it's not gonna move around while you're driving. You can put your car keys or home keys in there also, and they're not gonna move around. Because if you don't have the pads for your bottom tray, if you put your keys or something while you're driving, it's gonna be everywhere. It's gonna slide around, and that's kind of annoying, especially your phone, because sometimes there is no place to put it other than the cup holders. Put it right there. Put whatever stuff you have. You have your chargers or you have your gums, whatever you have, they fit just right in there, and it's just perfect. I'm gonna leave the link in the description for this tray from Tutus. I hope you liked this little episode, guys. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.